Lateral hurdle jumps. Jump laterally over a hurdle with feet together using a double arm swing. Upon landing, immediately jump back. A quick and powerful elastic landing. Reactive hurdle jumps can increase the elasticity and explosive power of leg muscles. The use of various heights encourages variety in jump intensities. The gastrocnemius is primarily involved in jumping, running, and lower body plyometric exercises. The gluteal muscles are powerful hip extensors for jumping and other explosive movements. The quadriceps muscles are involved in extending the knee in jumping and sprinting movements. All these active muscles also play an essential part in decelerating the body during landing. The hamstrings assist in hip flexion and play a significant role in powerfully extending the hip for explosive jumps. The soleus assist in ankle plantar flexion. The main stabilizers are the core muscles and the gluteus medius. The hip flexors flex the hip, lift the knee. The iliopsoas is the agonist, and the main synergists are the rectus femoris, sartorius, and tensor fascia lata. The hamstrings extend the hip in the jump phase and flex the knee while the knees are up. Arm swing helps to increase vertical jump height. The anterior deltoid flexes the shoulder, raises the arm. The arm swings contribute to the enhancement of the jump height not only by raising the center of gravity of the arms, but by augmenting the work of the lower extremity joints, especially of the hip and ankle joints. Low hurdle versus high hurdle. Lower hurdles allow you to focus on quick ground contacts. Higher hurdles require greater attention to hip flexion and jump height. Ground contact time is a little bit slower than low hurdles, but is still considered a fast plyometric activity. The ground contact time is less than 250 milliseconds. Minimal knee flexion is required for both the landing and flight phases of the jumps. The gastrocnemius fibers contract almost isometrically, while the facial collagenous elements lengthen and shorten like an elastic yo-yo spring, especially the Achilles tendon. Now, when stretched like a spring, tendons store elastic energy. When the spring is released, it snaps back rapidly to an initial condition, utilizing the elastic energy that was stored.